Face icing, also known as skin icing, is a simple yet effective beauty treatment that involves applying ice or cold temperatures to the skin. This practice has gained popularity over the years, particularly in the world of skincare. The benefits of face icing are numerous, and when done correctly and consistently, it can transform the appearance and health of your skin. What is face icing? Face icing involves applying ice cubes or cold compresses to your skin. The cooling effect stimulates various processes within the skin that are beneficial for health, appearance, and function. People often use different methods to apply cold to their skin, such as a directly rubbing ice cubes on the face, a using frozen rollers or jade tools, icing packs designed specifically for the skin, a using cold water or chilled face masks. Regardless of the method you choose, the key element is the cooling effect that the ice has on the skin. This triggers a range of responses that improve circulation, tighten the skin, and provide a natural, refreshed glow. 1. Reduces puffiness and swelling. One of the most immediate benefits of icing your face daily is the reduction in puffiness and swelling. This is particularly noticeable around the eyes, where many people wake up with puffy skin due to fluid retention. Ice helps by constricting blood vessels and reducing inflammation, thereby minimizing swelling. When you apply cold temperatures to the skin, it causes vasoconstriction, or the narrowing of blood vessels. This process reduces the appearance of puffiness and helps drain excess fluid from the tissue. This is why many people notice an immediate improvement in the appearance of tired or swollen eyes after face icing. 2. Improves blood circulation. Face icing also enhances blood circulation. When the skin is exposed to cold, the body responds by increasing blood flow to the area to keep it warm. This boost in circulation helps oxygenate the skin cells, giving the complexion a healthier, more vibrant glow. Increased blood flow also means that nutrients are delivered more efficiently to the skin cells, promoting cell regeneration and repair. Over time, daily face icing can help improve skin texture, reduce dullness, and give the skin a more youthful appearance. 3. Tightens pores. Ice is known for its ability to tighten pores and make them appear smaller. Large pores can give the skin an uneven texture, and they can also lead to issues like blackheads and acne. When you ice your face, the cold temperature causes the pores to contract, making them less visible. Smaller pores mean less chance of dirt, oil, and bacteria clogging them, which in turn reduces the likelihood of breakouts. For people with oily or acne-prone skin, face icing can be a simple yet effective addition to their skincare routine. 4. Reduces inflammation and redness. Face icing can be particularly beneficial for people who suffer from inflammatory skin conditions like acne or rosacea. The cooling effect of the ice helps to calm irritated skin and reduce inflammation. It can also help with redness, which is often a result of inflamed skin. By reducing inflammation, face icing can help prevent breakouts from becoming more severe and painful. It can also make acne less noticeable by calming the surrounding skin and reducing redness. 5. Soothes sunburns. Another benefit of face icing is its ability to soothe sunburned skin. When you spend too much time in the sun, your skin can become red, inflamed, and painful. Applying ice or a cold compress to the affected area helps to reduce the temperature of the skin, soothe the burn, and minimize inflammation. While icing alone won't completely heal a sunburn, it can provide temporary relief and prevent further damage to the skin. This makes it a valuable tool in managing the discomfort of sunburn. 6. Delays the appearance of wrinkles. Face icing can also help delay the signs of aging, particularly when it comes to wrinkles. The cold temperature helps tighten the skin, which can make fine lines and wrinkles appear less noticeable. Over time, regular face icing can help improve the elasticity of the skin, making it more resilient to the formation of wrinkles. The improved circulation that comes with face icing also promotes collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. While it won't completely eliminate wrinkles, it can certainly help reduce their appearance and slow their development. 7. Reduces oiliness. For people with oily skin, face icing can be a game changer. The cold temperature helps reduce oil production by tightening pores and calming the skin. This can lead to a more matte complexion and fewer issues with clogged pores, which are often a result of excess oil. By reducing oiliness, face icing can also help improve the longevity of makeup, as the skin is less likely to become shiny throughout the day. Many people find that their skin looks and feels more balanced after incorporating daily face icing into their routine. 8. Enhances product absorption. One of the lesser-known benefits of face icing is that it can enhance the absorption of skincare products. When you apply ice to the skin before applying serums or moisturizers, it helps to close the pores, trapping the products inside and allowing them to penetrate more deeply. The increased circulation from face icing also means that the skin is better able to absorb the nutrients and active ingredients in your skincare products. This can make your entire skincare routine more effective, as the products you're using will be absorbed more efficiently. 9. Relieves stress and tension. Face icing can also have a calming and soothing effect on the mind and body. The cool sensation of the ice helps to relieve stress and tension, particularly in the facial muscles. Many people find that icing their face at the end of a long day helps them relax and unwind. The cold temperature can also help relieve headaches, especially tension headaches that result from stress or fatigue. Simply applying an ice pack to the forehead or temples can provide quick relief and help you feel more relaxed. 10. Provides a natural glow. Finally, one of the most visible benefits of daily face icing is the radiant glow it can give to your skin. The combination of improved circulation, reduced puffiness, and enhanced product absorption leads to a brighter, more refreshed complexion. Many people find that after just a few days of consistent face icing, their skin looks more awake and vibrant. Over time, this glow becomes more noticeable as the skin becomes healthier and better nourished. How to safely ice your face. While the benefits of face icing are impressive, it's important to do it safely to avoid damaging your skin. Here are a few tips for icing your face the right way. 1. Use a barrier. Never apply ice directly to your skin, as it can cause frostbite or irritation. Instead, wrap the ice in a thin cloth or use a cold compress. 2. Limit the time. Don't ice your face for too long. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes per area, and never exceed 10 to 15 minutes for your entire face. 3. Be gentle. Apply the ice gently without pressing too hard. You want to cool the skin, not freeze it. 4. Follow up with moisturizer. After icing, apply a gentle moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and lock in the benefits of the treatment. 5. Don't overdo it. While daily face icing can be beneficial, listen to your skin. If you notice irritation or sensitivity, reduce the frequency of icing. Remember to follow the proper techniques and safety precautions to get the most out of this refreshing and rejuvenating treatment. Hope for like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this.